So how do you open this thing here? This is a soy sauce container. I think it's tin can. So for this thing, you have this thing right here. So you have to pull it up in order for you to get it out. But it's very hard to do with your bare hands because this thing is thin and it will cut into your hands. So how do you actually do that? So I'll show you how to do that. So what I use is a napkin like this. I put this in here like that, and what I do is I pull it up like that, so that helps me get it open like that. Now I'm able to like pour the soy sauce into this container. So I'm gonna put it in, pour it in now. Before you do that, you have to unscrew this. I like to do it in the sink because I don't want it to spill. I don't want that thing to spill everywhere, so I like to do it in the sink like this. Just like that. After you're done, just screw this cap. You move that back up. Screw this cap back on. Like that. And then push it back in. Push that back in. And that's it. So I don't think it's a very good design. It's the way they made that. It's so sharp, you know. You can't just pull it out. You're gonna cut your fingers. I'm just gonna put the cap back on here after I finish, and that's how you do it. So I use one of these things to hold the soy sauce, and it's a soy sauce bottle, and I just fill it with this. This is the cheapest container to buy for soy sauce. That's what I want to show you today, and thank you for watching.